Good morning. Okay. Welcome to the day one of the physics topic for class 9th and 10th. Starting from today, we will be starting the concept called reflection of light. Okay. This is a combined class for 9th and class wherein we will start with the syllabus of 9th and we will be taking it up to 10th class. तो ये वीडियो में शुरू 9th से शुरू करेंगे, 10 क्लास का भी पोर्शन कवर करेंगे. टॉपिक इज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट एट surfaces. So I am breaking the chapter. If you see the chapter name, it is reflection of light at surfaces. Now we will understand each and every term word by word and all these things. Reflection of light at surfaces. So first thing is we'll understand what is light. The most important concept of this is the word light. A light क्या है? That is the most important one. Okay. Light में primarily there are two types of, we can say there are two sources of light. Primarily there are two sources of light. One is the natural light, that is from where you get it from your solar, that is your sun. Apart from your sun, there are many other sources like your tube light, your bulb, your mobile battery, your inverter. All these things are your secondary sources. Secondary source which you are human made, man-made source. Primary source is your sunlight. रात में चांद की रोशनी आती, but sun does not emit its own light. Sorry, moon does not emit its own light. जो चांद में खुद की रोशनी नहीं आती. Okay, sun's energy or sun's light will be getting transformed through moon. Okay. So basically, I can say light में जो ना there are two types of light. One is primary light, other is secondary light. Primarily में sun is a major source of light. Other one is, you can say other lights, you can say your tube light or your bulb, all the other things which is helping you to see. Where light is coming which is helping you to, are your secondary light. Okay. Now just imagine a world without light. Just imagine a world without light. अगर रोशनी नहीं होती थी तो क्या होता था? ठीक है ना? Imagine I am just keeping my eyes open. मेरे आँख खुले रखा सब. ठीक है ना? But imagine this is a dark room. Then can you see? No, we can't see. So light plays a very vital role. रोशनी जो है ना बहुत important role play करता है. If there is no light, nothing can be seen. Today, thanks to God, we are able to see. You are able to see me, or I am able to see you. It's because of the light. Similarly, vice versa also. Okay. Had there been a light, अगर रोशनी रहती थी, but if I don't have a eyes, okay, if I don't have eyes, then also I can't enjoy the light. मैं लाइट की रोशनी को enjoy नहीं कर सकता. Just imagine अगर आप एक मिनट के लिए भी आँख बंद करके कुछ काम कर सकते क्या? Okay. दो ये रूम की चीज़ें मानो कि ये रूम में या स्विच है यहाँ पे है, then I can do it. But practically, if you go outside with a closed eyes, you can't. That means two things are important: eyes and as well as your light. जितनी लाइट की ज़रूरत है उतनी इम्पोर्टेंस है. Similarly, you have important for your eyes also. So we'll understand this topic of light and as well as even your eyes. There is one more concept called eyes, human eye. Okay, human eye and its colorful world. In physics, totally there are 5 chapters are there for you. One is reflection of light. Okay, reflection is there, and one is refraction is there. Reflection, refraction. One more is human eye. Then one more thing you have is your electric current, and one more I think electromagnetism. So totally 5 chapters are there from your physics. So even if we do one chapter a month, we can हंसते खेलते खत्म कर सकते. We can finish in a very lovely manner. So try to understand, do it in a very cool manner. The topic for this is reflection of light at surfaces. The next thing is surface. Surface होता क्या? Okay, anything is said to be a surface. Okay, anything is said to be a surface. कोई भी चीज़ surface. For example, if this board is a surface, my body is a surface. Everything is said to be a surface. Now ये surface में there are two types of surface. Or I can say, I can call it as object. Let us call it as object. Surface नहीं बोलेंगे, object बोलेंगे. Okay. Now when I am saying object, कोई भी चीज़, anything is an object. Okay. Now when I am saying object is of two types. Okay. One which will stop the light. एक ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट जो लाइट को रोशनी को रोक देता और रोशनी को वापस दे रहा. One which will stop the light and it will re-emit the light. Okay. One more object is which will absorb the light, light को absorb करके आगे पहुंचा देता. Okay, for example, now this board दिस बोर्ड इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट, ओके, विच इज ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट है जो लाइट को ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर रहा, तो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लाइट आगे नहीं जा रहा, ओके, ट्यूबलाइट इज स्विच ऑन, वहाँ से रोशनी आ रही, इट इज टचिंग, द रेस आर कमिंग एंड टचिंग इट, ओके, बट इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट लेवल, नेक्स्ट लेवल में नहीं जा रहा, तो इसलिए क्या हो रहा, लाइट इज कमिंग एंड बैक टू योर आइज, rays are coming from there, okay, it is hitting the board and it is entering back to your eyes. Due to this phenomena you are able to see the board, okay, it's hard object, okay, since it's a hard object the rays are not entering to next level. Imagine करो अगर ये ग्लास के, ये बोर्ड के बदले में एक ग्लास होता है, had there been a glass, okay, transparent glass, ठीक है, जिसको पीछे से कहीं भी पेंट करा हुआ नहीं है, ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास है, then what will happen, light rays will enter, it will enter it and it will go to the next level. Light will enter and रोशनी में ग्लास में चले गया and it will go to next level. For example, my spectacles, okay, light will enter, रोशनी में इसमें गया, it will go to the next level, it will not come back to you. तो imagine करो ये पूरा एक बड़ा ग्लास, यहाँ पे big glass is there, okay, and you are, आपको नहीं मालूम यहाँ पे ग्लास है, you don't know there is a glass, and when you enter, only when you collide with it, जब आप सर पे टकराएंगे तब मालूम होगा यहाँ पे कुछ लग रहा, पर अगर if you say the same thing for with a board, you are able to see, board दिख रहा है आपको, because light is bouncing back, पर ग्लास में क्या हो रहा है, it is not bouncing back, the light is getting transferred to the next level. तो यहाँ पे दो चीज़ हो रही है, in the first case when it is hitting a hard object, it is coming back to you, light rays, सूरज की रोशनी या बल्ब की रोशनी जो निकल रही है वहाँ से, it is coming, it is touching, it is coming back to you, it is coming back to your eyes, so that is known as reflection बोलते हैं, it is reflecting back, okay, I have a bulb or any source, कोई भी source of energy, बल्ब ले लो या सूरज की रोशनी, पूरे रोशनी है, वहाँ से रोशनी आ रही, इट इज टचिंग योर सेल्फ, इट इज टचिंग द बॉडी, द बोर्ड, इट इज कमिंग बैक टू योर आइज, तो ड्यू टू दिस यू आर एबल टू सी, दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्शन, तो क्या बोलते हैं, रिफ्लेक्शन बोलते हैं. वन मोर कॉन्सेप्ट इज नोन एज रिफ्रैक्शन, वन मोर कॉन्सेप्ट इज रिफ्रैक्शन. इन रिफ्रैक्शन व्हाट हैपेंस, रिफ्रैक्शन में होता क्या, लाइट विल कम, इट विल हिट द ऑब्जेक्ट बट इट विल नॉट बाउंस बैक. Light will come, it will hit the object, it will not bounce back, it will go to the next level, okay, that transferring of the light from one level to another level is known as refraction. Where does it happen, okay, example glass or water. Now imagine I have a glass here, imagine I have a glass, okay, let us take this glass, I have a glass, the light rays are coming, it is entering into here and it will come back from here, okay, the light rays are getting transferred, the light rays are getting transferred, so that transferring of the light is known as refraction. अगर ये जो है ना वापस नहीं जाके वापस आपके पास आ जा रही, the rays is coming back to you, then that is known as reflection. The two concepts are there, one is reflection, other one is refraction, okay. So the concept was reflection of light at surfaces. So we have seen the light. Light is nothing but any source of energy is a light. Any source of energy is a light. Be it your sun or your mobile light or your switch type tube light. Any source of light is a light. Now imagine I am there in this dark room. I entered in a room and when I switched on, okay, that means there is a light. The light will emit hundreds and thousands of rays. The light will keep on emitting hundreds and thousands of rays. हजारों की रोशनियाँ निकलती रहती. Okay. Now the rays keeps on traveling. जब बल्ब से निकले, light keeps on traveling. रोशनी निकलते keeps on traveling and light always travels in a straight path. लाइट हमेशा सीधा जाते रहता until unless, कब तक ट्रैवल करता होगा, until unless it hits an object, कोई आगे कोई चीज़ को टकराता नहीं. Okay, for example, light, sunlight is here, okay, it is traveling in a straight path, it keeps on traveling in a straight path until unless it hits an object, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट को आके टच करना. when it hits an object होता क्या, depending upon the nature of the object, depending upon the nature of the object, either it will bounce back, either it will reflect back or it will go to the next level, depending upon the nature of the object. अब for example ये object जो है ना, this is my whiteboard, यहाँ पे सूरज की रोशनी है, यहाँ पे बोर्ड है, okay, it has hit the board, तो board is a hard subject, okay, board is a hard object, so what will happen, the rays will bounce back, the rays will bounce back, so that bouncing back is known as reflection, that bouncing back is known as reflection. Imagine instead of this board, you have a plain glass here, you have a plain thin glass here, यहाँ पे पतला सा glass पड़ा हुआ है. Then what will happen, the rays will enter the glass, then it will go to the next level, it will go to the next level. This transferring of the light from here to here, the transferring of the light from here to here is known as refraction. And when this actually happens, there is some bending is also happening. जब एक लेवल से और एक लेवल पे जाता, there something else is happened. But when we study that concept, I'll tell you. Okay, the transferring, as of now, I'll tell you, the transferring of the light from one level to other level is known as refraction. तो यह दो concept है. Okay, light. What are the source of light? Light always travels in a straight path until unless it hits an object. कोई चीज को आके टकराता नहीं. Depending upon the nature of the object, जो ऑब्जेक्ट को टकरा रहा है उसके नेचर के ऊपर. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइट की रोशनी है, इट इज टचिंग माय बॉडी इज एन ओपेक बॉडी, नॉन ट्रांसपेरेंट है. तो व्हाट हैपन, द लाइट रेस विल टच माय बॉडी एंड विल कम बैक, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फेनोमेना यू आर एबल टू सी मी. इमेजिन इफ माय बॉडी इज ए ट्रांसपेरेंट, पतला ग्लास का रहता था, देन द लाइट रे विल एंटर हियर एंड मेरे पीछे क्या है, व्हाट इज देयर बैक साइड मी, यू आर एबल टू सी इट. दैट इज इट विल रिफ्रैक्ट. When it is an opaque body, it will reflect. When it is a transparent body, it will refract. This is the concept of reflect and refract. So we have the concept of reflection. Now, as of now, we are studying about reflection. सिर्फ हम reflection के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. That means the light rays will come, hit an object, and will come back. हम ये पढ़ रहे हैं. Refraction का topic जो next level में, then we'll study next one more chapter is there, refraction. There we'll study. As of now, we'll study only about reflection of light. Next important thing is surfaces. Where is it hitting? Next thing is where it is hitting. Okay, I told you only an object. It is hitting an object. बोले. Object में दो type का object है, transparent, opaque, and I am saying it is an opaque object. Like for example, my body, this board, all these are opaque, which are in hard substance. Okay, again इसमें भी पढ़ना मुश्किल हो गया. So what we'll do is, next thing is, instead of opaque object, we will take a glass. We will take a glass over here. So what we will do is, we will study reflection of light at glass. Reflection of light at glass, or you can say mirror. Glass, or you can say mirror. We are just what we are doing, we are narrowing down our study. छोटा छोटा करते जा रहे हैं, पूरा लंबे टॉपिक को थोड़ा छोटा करें. We understand what is reflection. Okay, light we know. Then reflection of light at glass or mirror. This is the concept. Now we will study it. Reflection of light. So the concept which we'll see today is reflection of light at surfaces. Now we'll specify the surfaces. ये surface को specify करेंगे. We'll take this surface as, instead of a surface we'll take it as a glass, or we'll take it as a mirror. Glass में तो mirror लेंगे. So we'll say reflection of light at glass or mirror. So again I am specifying this. इसको भी दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. When I am saying it a glass or mirror, we have two types of glasses. One, you have a plain glass. You have a plain glass, and one more, you have a curved glass. Okay. Now we will study about reflection of light at plain glasses. It's PLA iron only. Okay. Reflection of light at plain glasses. The concept which we will study is reflection of light at plain glasses. So what does this plain glass means? Plain glass is nothing but the glass which you and me or everybody is using in our daily home style. Whenever you get up in the morning, you go, before leaving your house, you go, you comb your hair. आप कंघी करके खड़े कंघी कर रहे, और you're getting ready. The glass which you're using is a plain glass or a plain mirror. So how does that glass, what are the characters of this glass? Okay, when you go and stand in front of a glass, does the glass will show a different thing? Okay, when you stand in front of the glass, you are standing as an object, and the glass, the one more, your body is showing there, that is an image. आप जो दिख रहे, that is an object, and one more, your personality is being shown there, that is an image. Now, what is the difference between this object and image? Your object है, image है. Okay, whether any difference are, you can note the things. The first thing we'll see. Let us see the height of the object. Okay, whether the height of the object and the height of the image remain same. Yes, in a plain glass, the height of the object and the height of the image remains same. Next, size of the object. Next one is, when I say height, it is from head to toe. When I say size, it is like the breadth wise. whether the size of the object remains same. The size of the object will remain the same as size in the image. Object का size जितना है, image का size उतना ही था. So these are the characteristics of the plane glass. One major characteristic is the plane glass will have a lateral inversion. The plane glass will have a lateral inversion. Lateral inversion है, it will just flip the image. It will just flip the image. And head to head, leg to leg only. But only thing is, when, for example, as an object, I'm standing and I'm saying hi with my left hand. In your image, it will show as if the right hand is showing hi. If I flip it out, if I'm saying hi with my right hand, my left hand will show hi. So this is the only feature in the plane glass. What are the feature? It will show lateral inversion. So basically, you can say the three features. What are they? The object size will remain the same as the image size. The height of the object remains same as the image object, and it will show the lateral inversion. There will be a lateral inversion. But all these things happening because of the light. Again, I'm saying all these things is happening because of the light. Light ray is coming, it is hitting your object body, and it is showing you. It is showing the image. Am I clear in this concept? So the concept which we are going to see is reflection of light at spherical mirrors. Okay, so far we have seen how does the light reflect when it is a plane mirror. Okay, जो रोज के daily life में we are using a plane mirror, but so far we have seen. Now we'll study to next level. Instead of a plane mirror, just imagine I have a spherical mirror. Spherical mirror is nothing but it's a ball-shaped mirror. Imagine I have a ball-shaped mirror, and how does my body will change? How does my image will reflect in that? So these are the things which you are going to study. Now imagine I have a big spherical mirror. I have a mirror which is spherical in shape. I have a big mirror which is spherical in shape. Okay, now to this mirror, I am just taking a portion of this mirror. I am cutting a slice of this portion and I am removing the external part. इधर का हिस्सा पूरा निकाल लेते. I am removing this portion and I am making a silver coating. इधर के हिस्से में paint मार. On the outer portion, I am just coating it with a silver line. Okay, now what will happen? Which one will be my reflection portion? The internal portion inside will be my reflection portion. अगर आपको अपना चेहरा देखना है, you have to stand at this part. The internal portion is a reflection portion, and this portion is a refraction portion. यहाँ पे आप खड़ेंगे तो नहीं दिखते. You have to, if you want to see yourself, you have to stand at this portion. Now, if you observe, it is this spherical mirror. We have cut a portion. It is a portion of the spherical. This portion is a portion. So it is in a shape, cave का shape है. It is in a shape of cave. So this is known as concave mirror. Concave mirror. Now, if you want to see yourself, अगर अपने आप को देखना है तो you have to stand here. When you stand here in front of your mirror, you are an object. अगर आप खड़ रहे हैं यहाँ पे, when I stand here in front of a mirror, I am an object. When I am standing here as an object, here I am an object. So how does my object body will reflect? इसका एक हिस्सा यहाँ पे दिखाई देता, image दिखाई देता. So how does my image reflect? That's what we are going to study. Okay, the image of the body keeps on changing in a concave mirror. It's a plane mirror में. When we say in a plane mirror, the image will not change. But in a concave mirror, the image keeps on changing. The image keeps on changing. Okay, either it will get increased, decreased, enlarged. It will get small in size. All this, there are various things which are keeps on happening. How? Depending upon the position of the object. आप कहाँ पे ठहर रहे? The more you go far away, it will get changed. The more you come nearer, it gets changed. These are all the 5 to 6 different phenomena are there that we'll be studying out. This is about concave mirror. Next thing is, imagine again. Let us take one more spherical mirror. Let us take one more spherical mirror. Cut a portion of this and remove the portion. Then paint it on the inner side. अंदर के हिस्से में paint कर देना. Now, where is the reflection portion? जहाँ पे if you wanted to see, the external portion is the reflection portion. If you wanted to see yourself, you have to go and stand here. You have to go and stand here. You have to go and stand here. Okay. Now, when you again stand here, your image will come and fall somewhere here. So we'll study how does the image comes. Whether it will show the same size or a different size. And if I come a bit closer, whether it will change size. If I go a bit farther, whether it will change size. This is something which we'll study. And what is this glass known as? This glass is known as convex. Convex mirror. Convex mirror में, in the convex mirror, the external part is a reflecting part and the internal part is a silver coated part. अंदर के हिस्से में पेंट करते, बाहर के हिस्से में रिफ्लेक्शन होता है. Concave में, in the concave, In the concave, the external part is a silver coated part. The external part is a silver coated part, and the internal part is a reflecting part. This is the reflecting part. It is known as concave mirror. Now what we will do is, we will see as an object, we will be standing in front of both concave mirrors and convex mirrors. हमारे आगे अब तक प्लेन मिरर रहता था, रोज कंघी करने प्लेन मिरर यूज करते, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ प्लेन मिरर विल रिमूव द प्लेन मिरर. नाउ विल पुट ए कॉन्वेक्स मिरर लगेंगे. पहले एक बार कॉन्वेक्स मिरर लगा के देखेंगे. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में लगाने के बाद हाउ डज माई इमेज रिफ्लेक्ट, हाउ डज माई इमेज कम, whether it will remain the same size or different size. अगर से करीब आऊँगा, when I move bit closer, how does it happen? If I move farther, how does it? So these are various phenomena. What we'll see is, we'll see that what are the features, sizes and the shape of the object will remain same or not in concave mirror and convex mirror. अलग अलग कवर करके देखिए. There are 5-6 different phenomena in convex mirror and 2 different phenomena in convex. Sorry, there are 6 different in concave mirror and 2 in convex mirror. We'll study it in separate ways. How does our reflection of what is this?